So the idea is to absorb, to take. This is the main issue with the magnesiums. And so therefore losing the mother also is something that they cannot take in. So therefore it is so precious that I lost my mother, the one who gives in everything to me, what we call it as unconditional love, who gives in everything to me. That when I lose, now there is nobody to give everything without asking. And thus the issue with magnesium is all about this aspect of not having the nutrition, and therefore malabsorption, malassimilation, and with that malnourished. And what is the issue with this person at this moment of time is that now there is nobody, even though 2 sisters and aunt is there at home, but there is no communication. There is nothing that I can tell them what food I want, what this thing I want, because aunt and sisters are not the one who can replace the mother. Mother is something that is irreplaceable for magnesiums, because mother gives in unconditionally, and the magnesium child or the magnesium individual takes in everything unconditionally. Once that is lost, they can take nothing from life, because the first thing that the child does is to absorb the milk, and therefore milk intolerance is a common feature for the magnesium. When bowels are not clear, they give milk of magnesia. No? This is what is the most important understanding. That he couldn't absorb, now he cannot absorb anything, and therefore his GIT is a big problem. And what did he say? I have lost everything now. My strength, my energy, my this thing, everything, my entire what I was 15 years before, I am nothing right now. Because now I cannot retain, even fruits become acidic. Non-veg biryani I like, but that also I cannot tolerate. Moment I eat, I vomit it out. That means you are just not able to take in anything, and nothing can be retained. This is the clear indication, central theme of magnesium. Get it? This is the idea of magnesium. For them, the most important aspect is that structure which is giving me everything, and I can take, I can retain, I can absorb, I can assimilate, because it is given unconditionally. Moment I have to ask, what is prepared today? He said, na, meko puchna pada. And then I cannot tell anything. Whereas with mother, what was the thing? Make this, make that, make this, make that. Evening breakfast, you make this. So there he is telling, and his likes are absorbed. Here he cannot ask anybody anything. Whatever is made, he has to take, which he cannot retain. This is that unconditional. जो मैं बोला वो माँ बना दी. अब मेरे को पूछना पड़ता है, तो मेरे को मालूम पड़ता है ये सब्जी बना है. And that's why his problem is communication. मैं बात नहीं करता हूँ सिस्टर के साथ और आंटी के साथ. Previously my mother would talk to me everything. What to prepare, what to make, क्या चाहिए for breakfast, what you want for evening snacks, what you want, salary, this thing. So many examples he gave. She would ask everything. So the aspect of Rotri's communication was an issue over there. He lost that communication after his mother's death. See, पूछना, बाजार लाना, खाना बनाना, health wise, everything, which the aunt and sisters, he doesn't do that. So what he lost over there is the aspect of communication that he lost, which is again the Rotrika issue. And therefore, for him, the mother was the pillar. The mother was his structure. because he himself lacks that structure, so amorphous, powdery, not like unlike metals who have got a fine boundaries that is there. They have a structure, they have got borders, and therefore metals will give you something that is particularly structured way of talk. Whereas natrums, magnesiums, alumina, calciums, potassium, all these people are very powdery, scattered way of telling. There is no formulation of a proper structure. And that is what we were seeing in him. My complaint, my this thing, my that thing, this, that. So everything was like this. Unless and until you ask what is the stress, then he said about the mother's death. Till that time he did not come up with that thing at all. This is the way how much it took time for him to tell, because these are the people who repress their emotions. Something that is done beyond natrum who would suppress. Something that can come out after a time with a blast like a thing is what natrum would do. But magnesium usually do not come up because they are now trying to hang on to some other support. And the most important fear for them is, if I lose that support, दूसरा जो मिला वो भी अगर मेरा वो सपोर्ट निकल गया तो इसके लिए मैं ऐसे कुछ भी नहीं बोलूँगा कि सामने वाले को कुछ दुख पहुँचे. That's why he's not telling the sisters. That's why he's not telling the aunt. Are you getting? Because of this reason. And what did he say clearly? I feel lonely at home. As though there are nobody at home. Because others' presence doesn't make any sense for him, because they do not understand, he doesn't communicate. So therefore the essence is a big vacuum that is there, that there is no communication. There is a big vacuum for magnesiums. For them the communication is, you should tell the eye, what do you want? You should tell the eye, cylinder is over. You should tell the eye, electricity bill has to be paid. You should tell the eye, TV is not working proper, repairing has to be done. For him that was, पूछते हैं क्या पूछते हैं कि ये करना है, ये बाकी रह गया, ये बिल भरना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. That is the, you should tell the eye. Because the eye doesn't have that much substance to know what is to be done. Unlike ferrum, the eye will say, I have to do whatever I will do, I have to do, I know I have to do it. That's why there is a symptom called always on the right. I know, I is developed. But for magnesium, you should tell the eye, I feel better. The same thing if it would have been ferrum, the ferrum wouldn't have said this. Ferrum would have said, मेरे को मालूम है क्या करना है, तू मेरे को बताने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. But for him, the happiness was that the mother was telling him to do. So for the magnesium, it is, you should know what the eye needs. You should know what the eye wants. You should know that this is what I have to ask the eye. Would you like, बेटा ये चलेगा, बेटा तेरे को ये खाना है, बेटा तेरे को वो चाहिए, बेटा तेरे को क्या चाहिए? This is what the magnesium wants. Right?